Broad is a company that emphasizes original innovation and has never copied any technology of its peers since inception. Hope to promote human progress through disruptive innovation. In 1989, Broad invented pressure-free heating boiler. In 1992, Broad invented non-electric air conditioning. In 1996, Broad invented global network monitoring system. In 2004, Broad invented zero-resistance package pump set. In 2015, Broad launched magnetic bearing oil-free chiller. Today's rapid socio-economic development leads to the unbalance of energy structure. Broad launches packaged oil-free chiller and heater with more than 30 years system experiences. It can utilize electricity and fuel accordingly to provide cooling, heating, and hot water in high efficiency, thoroughly realizing the industrialization of central AC. Whole system manufactured and tested in factory. Package chiller shipped in modular and join on site. Package system replacing dispersion purchase. Factory production replacing on-site installation. It is a revolution of central AC industry. Compared to the conventional mode, packaged oil-free chiller system realizes energy saving. Power saving 40% from chiller. Power saving 70% from pump set. Also saves 10 to 15% fuel consumption from heating. Space saving chiller size is reduced by 50%. Machine room footprint is reduced by 50%. It can be installed outdoor or on the rooftop. Cost saving chiller, pump set, and a stainless steel enclosure is integrated. Saves cost from design and installation. Avoids the troubles from design, procurement, and installation. Worry-free Broad intelligent control system realizes an operative-free chiller system. Broad Global Internet Monitoring System provides customers with 24/7 365 fault prediction analysis and energy-saving management. Broad packaged oil-free chiller and heater is widely applicable to hospital, shopping mall, hotel, school, office tower, and factory. Every Broad packaged oil-free chiller and heater saves 50% machine room footprint. The annual carbon dioxide emission reduction is equivalent to planting 200,000 trees. Broad for humanity's future.